Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while since I've posted a video, but there's just not much going on around here. We are going to start something new today. You can see here we got a trailer full of lumber, and that means that I'm going to attempt to build a shed because we need one. And the plan is basically I want to get everything, you know, as far as lawnmowers and all this stuff over here on the shelves, all this stuff over here. I want to get that all out of the garage so that I can create some more room both to park a vehicle in here, and eventually I want to finish sheetrocking and insulating the garage and heat it, so that way I don't have to worry about working in the cold. But for starters, I'm doing this kind of in stages, and basically it's because we can't afford to do it all at once. So I bought enough lumber to do just the floor, and I can't believe the cost of lumber these days. It's insane. I mean, one sheet of 5/8 treated plywood was over $60, so it's crazy. But if you guys want to help out, let me know. I'll gladly start a GoFundMe to help build the shed so we can do more work in the garage. But I'm not asking for money. I'm not asking for money. But seriously, no. But yeah. So I figured this would be kind of a different project to film, and I'm not going to film obviously the cutting and everything like that, but I'll kind of describe as I go what my plan is. So the plan is to build a 12x16 on skids, so if I have to I can move it, and I want to build it here close to the garage so that I can run an air hose or power tools or something to it if I need to. The other option is to move the shed over in that area along that tree line. So that's kind of where I'm at, but let me get some tools set up and we'll start cutting and hammering away on this. Alright, see you guys soon. Okay guys, well, we got everything cut, we got everything laid out, and we got everything squared up and screwed together. But this is what we've got for a platform. Now, as you can see, I have quite the slope in this spot. I've got two 4x8x16 solid concrete bricks on the back side, and then one on the front for the runner to sit on, or the skid to sit on. And I've also attached the floor joist to the skids using these brackets. But everything is leveled up, it's squared out, and at this point we just have to get all the sheeting on the floor, and I've got 5/8 treated sheeting for the floor. But it's looking pretty good. Luckily I only had to tear it apart twice. But what I didn't realize was, you know, when they cut these 12-foot or 16-foot sections of lumber, it's not exactly 16 feet, so I didn't measure appropriately before I framed up the outer rails, and it ended up being a little bit too long, so had to take the screws out. Now the only thing that's screwed together are these outer rails, just the four corners basically, because it just made it easier to get everything squared up and put together, and then all the floor joists are all nailed in. So that's where we're at with that. And I also did cut angles into the skids so that if I do have to move it, it won't just be a square corner, it should slide easier. Of across the ground. But now it's just a matter of getting these 6 sheets of plywood onto the platform, and then it'll probably sit like that for a while because we got to save up more money to buy 2x4s for the walls. And I can't believe it, but just a construction stud, an 8-foot construction stud, is almost $8. I remember a year ago they were about $2, so I can't believe it, but it is what it is. So once again, just gonna take some time. So we'll get the sheets on, get everything laid out, and let you guys see what it looks like from there. Okay. All right, guys, we've got the floor done. Everything's level. It's all nailed down. So now we just got to save up some more money, wait for the rebates to come from the old Menards, and get some studded walls built. And then from there we got to build the trusses, get sheeting, put sheeting on the walls, put sheeting on the trusses, on the outer trusses, the end trusses, and then sheeting for the roof. And I think Rudy has some steel roofing that he's gonna let us have for the shed, and then we have to buy the siding. So siding and trim, I should say. But other than that, yeah, this is all done by hand, by the way. No nail guns, no well, I did have screw guns for attaching, you know, the corners together, and then the corners of the sheeting as well. But everything was done by hand. Power saws too, but a lot of nails by hand. So that's what we've got so far. It's a pretty short video, but again, comment below, let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you guys later.